Hey, hello. How are you guys? I know it's one of my favorite, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Love. Alketa, I am so happy for her to be here. We come from the same city and we known each other for a long time. So happy to treat her. So her skin she has a very good skin, very good base, but her cheeks are sensitive, a little bit of enlarged pores. That's why we have to do customizing treatment to treat her skin, and I want to give her a little bit life because she's very tired. She had a lot of things to do in New York. And let's start. LEV cleanser.
Okay.
Everybody needs hydration. Milky cleanser, it's a must in every skincare routine because it doesn't strip the oils from the skin. This is how your client is hooked to you when you have a good massage. So I'm covering the whole hand.
This part of the treatment, when Aida did it on me, no one else was able to do this. The way you do the drainage around the eye.
Never give a massage without trying that massage first on myself. I felt amazing before somebody did on me. In my case, Dr. Eva Alush. I gave the same experience to my clients because if it feels amazing on me, it has to feel amazing on other people too.
But it's placed in the right point, at the right points.
Yes, because of experience. Now I'm gonna do some drainage.
No, but this is anatomy.
Yeah, that's the
It's
biggest.
not just that. She knows exactly what to do. And she does it with love, and you can feel it.
And now, one and only, Lotion P50 1970.
To prevent the lines from forming, you can see little bit she has started. So what do? I go within the line. So even with MC 110, giving memory to the muscle to stay up. You go, because she has redness on the cheek, you don't use MC 110 on the cheeks. So you go around.
Did you say she has like a little rosacea or no?
Some broken capillaries a little bit, but no, not rosacea. No, it's just the skin is very tired and That's why she has
Jet lag.
yeah, jet lag and all this. Because the lines go like this, right? You see?
So you go around.
Yeah. And just plumping. You just follow the direction
The lines.
of the lines. And I want to open up her eye. So everything moves to the hairline. Lift the brow. And then she has the lines across. So I go like this. And then I go up between the brows. Yvonne Luge told me either you're going to learn the left hand or you're not going to work for me. Drag the skin upward motion. Like I said, when you have a good product and you can have a good movements, you can prevent deep lines from becoming deeper. You can prevent saggy skin. You can prevent loose skin on a neck, lines around the mouth. Everything is preventable. Of course, we're gonna age, all of us,
And
but
they won't become that later.
yes, no, not later. You're gonna age beautifully and not a big difference
Between the
between 10 years
yes.
or 5 years. This is the biggest difference when people from 40 to 50, it's a huge difference. All of a sudden you see the person doesn't look the same.
That's right. So you keep on moving the tissue upwards.
Yeah, always up and close to the hairline.
You lock it there.
Yeah, you lock it. Actually, where the ending of the ear.
Yeah.
I cannot live without MC110. I use it, it's like my elixir for youth to come around. And then, while you hold it, switch. And you press 3 times against the nose and switch upward. This is to reduce the dark circles and puffiness. Working. So each part needs attention.
And the tension depends how much attention it needs.
Yes.
Like you keep on going.
Yeah, you keep on going. You need to open an eye. She's tired. She has so much work. Now, I will switch. Now I'm gonna work a little bit faster. See, I go back to this. This is so important. And you have to come around the face. Soothing, firming, and hydration. And more of the liquid. Everything from the chest. Okay. like to go for lymphatic purpose.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
release.
Lift it.
For sensitive skin too, and she has sensitive cheeks.
So this treatment does calm it down.
Oh yes.
Oh.
The feeling that you have right now when I do this.
Oh my God, I just can't explain, but you hit that point that is so pleasant, relaxing, but that at the same time, it just gives you the best satisfaction ever.
She's the best.
Mm.
Oh, there are many
I-
more and
I-
coming, and
I know, but you have the experience, and
Yeah,
you
I'm
cannot
just-
deny.
and now you're gonna take this. See, it's like making a dough. The skin is the dough. You are just molding. It's like a sculpture.
How's it feeling right now?
Feels beautiful. I mean, it's like an artist, you know, when they make the sculpture, that's what she did for me. She kind of redefined everything in my face.
You do look amazing.
She made me amazing. I feel amazing.